Why should you care about Bitcoin? One of the key benefits of Bitcoin is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by governments and financial institutions, Bitcoin is not subject to the same restrictions and regulations. This means that users can send and receive Bitcoin without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. For some people, this decentralization is a major selling point, as it allows for greater privacy and security in transactions. Since Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger, it's possible to see all transactions that have ever occurred on the blockchain. However, the identity of the individuals involved in those transactions is not stored on the blockchain, which can make it difficult to trace transactions back to specific individuals. Another benefit of Bitcoin is its potential as a store of value. Since Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, some people see it as a potential hedge against inflation and a way to diversify their investment portfolio. While Bitcoin has experienced significant price volatility in the past, some investors believe that its decentralized nature and limited supply make it a worthwhile long-term investment. Finally, Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and financial transactions. With the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain technology, there is increasing interest in using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to create more secure, transparent, and efficient financial systems. Overall, while Bitcoin is still a relatively new and volatile asset, its decentralized nature and potential as a store of value make it an important development in the world of finance and technology. Whether you're interested in making anonymous transactions, diversifying your investment portfolio, or exploring the potential of blockchain technology, Bitcoin is worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear a story about your coin. Like, comment, and subscribe.